First, ako isang ice Americano.
Ice cream.
Yes. So we have here. What drink is this, ma? Honey oat. Okay. And then I have the usual black. Let's try. This is the usual black. Mm. Nice blend. So, very strong cookers. Is it good? Okay, good. Mine as well, no? Masarap din siya. This is just ice Americano. They have only one size. So, you should try.